friendship. Very nice. You know, folks, our dolphins here are not only good at singing, but they are also great dancers. That's why we asked Haley and Trisha to dance together. All you have to do, Trisha, is to put your hands up in the side and turn in circles. So, ready? Music, please. Alright, Trisha, you've got rhythm with Haley. You folks, we are a little short of trainers down here. That's why we asked Trisha to give Haley a very special hand signal to show off a fantastic behavior. The hand signal is pretty easy. All she has to do is to put her hands on her knees and raise it up in the air on my count of 3. So ready, Trisha? 1, 2, and 3. Hands up. Alright, Trisha, keep your hands steady because the dolphins will be right back with a very big surprise! A pot full of water. Hey, Trisha, that was a great trick to get this dolphin's race on it. So let's ask Haley. Hey, Haley, did you do that on purpose? No? But do you think that was funny? Well, I bet you were just kidding, Trisha. She deserves another fish for that. Why don't you grab a fish stick in her tabby and give it to her? Another fish? Very nice. Now, Trisha, why don't you join me here?